Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not create account in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID but you're facing this type issue which is could not create account. So let's see how can you easily fix this error. So you just have to simply go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to connect with the different stable and the strongest network connection. Go back from here, go to your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go to the language and region option and select your own region from here. Just select region and select your own country region in which you're living. Then go back and here just go to date and time section and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again go back from here and go to the software update section. Try to update your software. So after updating your software, you have to go back from here and you have to go to general again, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings on the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Then go back from here and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and reach the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that your issue will be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to switch to a browser to create a new Apple ID. So open your browser here and just go for search and you just have to search for Apple ID or you can search for appleid.apple.com. So let's say I'm gonna search for appleid.apple.com. Just search for this website here and then tap on the arrow icon in the top right and then tap on create your Apple account. Now on this screen, you can easily create Apple account without any issue, but you have to keep in mind that you're connected to a strongest and a stable network connection. And after connected to a strongest and a stable network connection, you can easily create a new Apple ID without any kind of issue from here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.